a few days now. I just want to give you guys a update on what happened. So a few days ago, I was just chatting with, you know how I last bought a URL from Vercel, and I was just chatting with Claude, and I remember that during the build, the uh, the URL that was made to access the free bedtime story was still bedtime story machine Vercel. So I went in there and then update all the URL to the one I purchased, and we were working on the email I guess email that's going to be sent out every time a subscriber or user enter the email to download the PDF file. I remember that it was listed as the old email. So basically, I went into uh, um, the mail kite to update that as well. And for the email, whenever it's sent from mail kite, instead of well, Claude told me to update that instead of just a regular email from AI WizKid is better off if it's coming from like a hello at AI WizKid to make it more um, business like. So that took me a while. I didn't know how to do that. I had to ask Claude to help me with each and every single step. These get pretty technical here, so that's what I did. I didn't want to bore you guys, but it took me like 30 minutes to do so. And now that whenever the email automation goes out to the buyer, it will have an update of hello from hello at aiwizkids.ai. So I think for a beginner, it's pretty complicating. I'm a beginner myself, so I just copy and paste whatever uh, every step that I do on this Miller Lite and Vercel. So just as you build, you just take a picture, upload it to Claude, and then tell it to take a look, and then it'll tell you exactly what to do on it. So if you in the future, I can go into depth, but it's pretty complex, and I don't know what I'm really doing myself, so I'm just copy and paste it, but it works. It works. So that's all. I just want to let you guys know. And that was an update. That's an update for the past few days now. I'm gonna continue on to, I guess at this point it's gonna be making the Pinterest for the business. And I also have a TikTok account as well that shows the build. But I think so since I am going to post Pinterest to, I guess, not to show the product at the moment on my TikTok, it's showing the build like what I'm posting here on YouTube. But I think I will transition from TikTok to do the same thing as Pinterest, because at the moment it's YouTube and TikTok showing the build. I think I will be switching my TikTok to show show the product itself, not the build. So okay, thank you for watching.